Hello, this is Paweł, ULTRAFIT Poland. This video will be dedicated to our windshield protection film called WinCrest EVO. It's one of 3 films we offer, specifically the soft type film. What makes it stand out is its flexibility, easy application, and the fact that it doesn't require shrinking. Key features of the product include quick installation, self-healing, hydrophobic surface, high clarity with 99% UV rejection, easy removal without delamination. Let me explain the preparation steps for installation. Step 1. Lift the wipers to make the installation process easier. Step 2. Thoroughly clean the windshield. You need to use the proper tool and chemical to avoid any extra work like scratches or lack of cleaning. Before installation, trim the film to match the size of the windshield. Our WinCrest EVO is available not only in 48 inches, but also in 60 inches, allowing you to cover even large windshields seamlessly in a single application. Removing the oily residue on the windshield. Using a squeegee, we thoroughly remove all contaminants from the windshield. Using the oil remover to clean the windshield completely. Reason for taping the windshield. 1. To remove any residue along the edges. 2. To prevent scratches on the vehicle itself. We strongly recommend taping the windshield to avoid unnecessary contamination removal work and to protect the vehicle from potential damage. Taping for edge protection. Cut the film to fit the windshield. Once more, use a squeegee to remove any remaining debris. Spray the slip solution on windshield. Remove the liner and spray the slip solution onto the film before installation. Spray the slip solution on windshield. Position the windshield protection film. Ensure the slip solution is spread evenly and lightly smooth the film by hand so it lies flat and in the correct position before continuing. Now use the squeegee to firmly adhere the windshield protection film to the windshield. Finishing. After trimming along the edges, the film sits perfectly. Thanks to its outstanding clarity, transparency, and freedom from distortion, the film is virtually invisible to the user. Thank you.